Hey guys, Charles Sparks here at RE/MAX, and today I am here with Cole. Cole is a local lender here that helps a lot of buyers when purchasing their home. And so today we wanted to talk about the topic about FHA home loans, which Cole, I'll let you introduce yourself, and then I may have some questions on this FHA product that you have, so we can see what you can answer on that.
Absolutely. Thanks so much for having me. Hello, everyone. I'm with FHA Finance, senior mortgage broker, as a matter of fact, and I've got up to 35 banks that we actively work with. And the advantage to that is I'm loyal to the client and not the bank. It is my job to make sure we're saving money on closing costs and getting you the best rates out there for that matter. But in regards to FHA financing, it is one of those loan products that allows people that don't have perfect credit into a home. They have lower tolerances as far as credit score goes. You can go down to a 580. Some banks will work down to a 500 for that matter.
So you're saying with a 580 credit score, you can purchase a home?
Absolutely. And
awesome.
That is something to where it'll be reviewed on a case-by-case basis, of course, but that's my job. That's when I'll step in to tell your story as the client, and I'm going to bat for you once again. So it is a smaller down payment, only 3.5% typically. There are banks out there that I have access to that do down payment assistance for that. We even have a really cool bank that will allow you to only put 1.5% down, and they'll actually apply 2% towards your principal balance. So lots of options out there, to say the least.
So let me ask you this, Cole. So if I have a buyer and they want to buy a house, and we're going to go the FHA route, we put 3.5% down on the loan. Well, let's say if they have a grandparent or parent or relative who wants to help assist them and pay part of that down payment. Can they do that?
Absolutely.
Wow, that's awesome.
And that's a major advantage. If you've got a family member, you can absolutely have them gift you those funds. In fact, the whole down payment amount of 3.5%. We're going to try to go that route first, simply because of the fact that down payment assistance programs are out there.
Yeah.
But you're going to have a second mortgage, always tied to your property, which you'll have to pay off eventually someday when you sell. So it's going to eat into your equity a little bit. Or you can go with a grant option, which grants are great. You don't have to pay them back as long as you stay in the home for at least 3 years. However, at the same time, there's a trade-off for that, and that's going to come with a higher interest rate. Right now, for example, today we're sitting around the 6% mark.
Okay, awesome. Well, very good. See if I have any other questions for you on FHA. That all sounds pretty good. 580, that just like shocks me.
Yeah.
So it's not 620 or 640 or higher.
Yeah, and there's just, every scenario is different. Every person's story is different. And that's one of the beautiful things with FHA is you've got the ability to compensate for that.
Yeah, that's awesome. Well, I think that should finish up all my questions on it. And Cole, how do people reach out to you?
So I can be reached out to 24/7. My number is going to be 660-229-0219. You can also email me at csimmons@edgehomefinance.com.
Awesome. And again, I am Charles Sparks at RE/MAX. So if you are a buyer, feel free to reach out to myself or Cole. And if you are another realtor watching this, I highly recommend talking to Cole. We've done a lot of loans together. He does an awesome job, and he definitely takes good care of the clients and, of course, the realtors, keeping them up to date on all of the information during the process. So, again, Cole, thank you for doing this little question and answer thing with me today. And we look forward to talking to you guys soon.
Thanks so much, guys.